What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So in this video I'm going to talk about my affiliate marketing tips. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and I have made money by promoting other people's products. And let me show you right now quickly some of my results. This is my affiliate dashboard for the high ticket product that I promote. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and basically you can see in the screen that I have sent to this company 150 referrals, and I have right now $135 in unpaid earnings. So basically this company pays 40% commissions, and these are my affiliate links. Now, one of the things that I'm doing every single day to make commissions with affiliate marketing is that I'm not sending traffic to my affiliate links, guys. So I rather send traffic to my sales funnel. Why? Because I'm building my own email list. So basically, having your own email list is like the ultimate leverage. So let me show you quickly. If I go here, this is my get response account, and you can see that I have collected 1,455 emails. So I have been doing this affiliate marketing thing for a while, and I have like a lot of contacts for the products that I have been promoting. So check this out, and I have as well an Spanish email list that I'm building to promote Spanish products. So for example, this one was a test that I did to promote an Spanish product, and I have here where it says search Spanish. This is my email list. I have right now 57 emails in this list, and as you can see, I have like many lists here which I'm building every single day. And I'm going to show you the strategy that I use to collect leads. So let me go here because I'm using this software. The name is Funnel Freedom. And so I'm going to click on sites because I'm going to show you the sales funnel. So what is that? A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically, I send traffic to a simple page to collect the information of the prospect, which is the name and the email. So check this out. The funnel, it's this one, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And these are the funnel steps. So the first step is the free course opt-in, and I use this page to collect the emails. The second page is the bridge page, and then we have here the members area, which is the free course. So one important thing to collect emails, guys, is that you need to give a free gift, and that could be an ebook. It could be as well a free course, a free software, a free training. So you need to give something in exchange for that email. And for this funnel, I'm giving away a free course. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, they will see here, hey, take the free course. So as you can see, when they scroll down, they will find my picture, and if they click this button where it says take the free course, so let me click this, and you can see that it's going to open this pop-up, and I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. Now, this information is critical, guys, because once I have that information, Funnel Freedom, what it's going to do is that it's going to send the free course through email. So people need to put the real information, the real email, if they want to get access to that free course. Now, once I have collected that information, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails. And basically, this is a done for you system that I bought from Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of the products that I promote. So this is the $70 challenge. This is the low ticket product. The cost is $9. This is Freedom Accelerator. This is the high ticket product. The cost is $1,997. And Funnel Freedom costs $97 monthly payments. So, and I promote these products because, which is cool about Jonathan Montoya's ecosystem, is that if someone buy from my affiliate link, the $70 challenge, I can make commissions for the low ticket product, the high ticket product, or the software as well. So check this out. I'm going to click on this. So this is the Northern sequence, guys. And basically these are emails that all the people who opting in their information are receiving every single day. For example, the first one is the welcome sequence. I have 73 people enrolled. And let me click on this one so you can see what it's all about. Because this Don't Forget system, it has a list of products that I'm promoting. Some of the products are the 72-hour challenge, Free Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Get Response, Udemy, and I'm promoting all of those products by utilizing this Don't Forget system. So check this out. When someone opting in their information, that person is going to receive the email number 1, which is the welcome and the course access. Then Funnel Freedom is going to wait for 1 day to send the email number 2, which is the $70 challenge promo. So this is an email to promote the low ticket product. Then is going to wait for 1 day to send a personal email backstory. So this email, it doesn't have any links. So check this out. Here I have 2 people waiting on this step. So these 2 people are waiting 2 days, and then they are going to receive the supporting offer number 1, the $70 challenge, and so on and so forth. All my email list is receiving these emails, and inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information, and they are going to find as well my affiliate links. And so this is one of the best tips that I can give you, that it's important to build your own email list. So because I have been using Get Response like for many years, so I like to use this kind of software, and I use as well Funnel Freedom. So I have here my contacts as well. So because I'm using this Done For You. So this is basically a 7 figures Done For You system. So I'm going to click on this page or tab because I want to show you the products that I'm promoting, because this is insane. So check this out, Funnel Freedom. Then I'm going to click on affiliate link settings, and these are the products. So, and these are my affiliate links for all of these products: Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success, System.io, Legendary Marketer, Get Response, Repurpose.io, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, InVideo, Udemy, and Get Response. And so the cool thing about Funnel Freedom is that we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of these boxes, and then we need to send traffic to the opt-in page that I just showed it to you, and the software is going to start promoting all of those products once we have start collecting leads, once we have start collecting emails. So this is for people who don't have time to build an entire ecosystem of products, or people who don't have time to go to the affiliate marketplaces, find the products, find a main core offer, find the supporting offers, write all the emails, build the Northern sequence, build the sales funnel and the lead magnet, because it has all of those things integrated inside of the software. So that is the cool thing about this software. So check this out. I'm going to go here because I think that it's important for you to know these phases. So these are the 4 phases to freedom. 4 Faces to Freedom in the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So basically, Jonathan Montoya created this tool so we can have like an advantage of by having a sales funnel with all of those things that I said to you. And then the next step is to send traffic to that funnel. So basically that is phase number one. So this one, building an automated sales system. And once we have built that system that works 24/7, we need to drive customers to it. And we are going to do that by creating 5 and 15-second short videos. So these are all the traffic strategies: faceless artificial intelligence videos, unlimited leads with Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing. And check this out, phase number 2 is one of the most powerful lessons, guys, because here Jonathan explains step by step how we can utilize YouTube to drive customers. So basically I'm focusing on YouTube. Check this out, this is my YouTube channel. I have uploaded 1,200 videos on this English YouTube channel, and I have right now 1,390 subscribers. And I grow in this YouTube channel every single day. And so when people go to my videos to learn more about affiliate marketing, and some people resonate with my own story, and if they put their information inside of my links of my funnels, so and some people are buying products from me, guys, that is how I'm making these commissions. So check this out, I have here $58, $872, $62, $77, and I'm making commissions every single month by just promoting this product. So what is cool though is that we can make commissions from more products. Secret of success. So this is the latest training of Russell Brunson, or let's say Get Response, which is a software. If someone buys the Get Response software from your affiliate link, you can have recurring commissions. The same thing for Funnel Freedom, which is a software. So that is why I think that it's important to build your own email list, because you can promote multiple affiliate products and software. You can promote tools. So let's moving on. Phase number 3 is how to increase conversions. I'm in this part, so I'm working on my own irresistible bonus offer, and I'm nurturing my email list. So it's important as well that once you have once you have your own email list, so don't send emails just to promote products. You need to send emails as well just to give valuable information to your own email list, because otherwise people are going to unsubscribe from you. So in some time I was just promo after promo after promo, and I have like a lot of unsubscribes from my email list. So that is why it's important to write emails that are going to help your people, so without promoting any products, just like, for example, telling your own story, like giving good information. And phase number 4 is how to automate and scale. So I'm not even in this part yet. I'm working more on phase number 2 and phase number 3. So that is the things that I'm doing, guys. So I don't do DM closing, sometimes I upload Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels sometimes, and sometimes I create 5 and 15-second short videos. But for me, my main traffic source is basically YouTube, guys. So YouTube is super powerful. So in some of the lessons, Jonathan teaches that he rather have like 200 views from a YouTube video than like 20,000 views from a TikTok video. So that is why That is why YouTube is powerful, because if you can have like videos of 50 views, 100 views, 200 views, a percentage of those people are going to click your links of your funnel. They are going to write their information, and that is how you can build your own email list. So basically, that is how I'm building my own email list, by creating content, guys, and putting my links in the description of all of my YouTube videos. And I'm growing a Spanish YouTube channel as well. I'm going to show you. So Spanish is my native language, and I'm talking about affiliate marketing in Spanish. So that YouTube has, check this out, I reached to 1,000 subscribers. This is my Spanish YouTube channel, and I'm going to like record another type of content in this Spanish channel, not only for affiliate marketing. I'm going to put like some travel stuff and maybe some chemical engineer stuff. So I think that it will be awesome. So check this out. These are my Spanish YouTube videos. For example, some videos has 52 views, 155 views, 10 views, 9 views. So I'm growing this channel, 9 views, 27 views. I'm growing this channel slowly but surely, guys, because it's important to build your own audience. So with that tip, I'm going to close this video. It's important for you to build your own audience. So don't expect like fast results when you start with affiliate marketing, because you are going to get discouraged. So when I started affiliate marketing, I made my first commission after 1 year of uploading YouTube videos, guys. So if you can stay long enough uploading content, rather it will be on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, or YouTube, if you can stay long enough, you can make commissions. But you need to get to a point in which you are like uploading content for helping people, because if you are like uploading content to make like a lot of money, it's going to take your time, and maybe you are going to get discouraged. So sometimes when I upload content, so I'm uploading right now, I'm creating this live to show you that it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing, but it takes time. So the first step is to find your main core offer. So for me, my main core offer is Freedom Accelerator, and then find supporting offers. For example, softwares like Funnel Freedom and Get Response or ClickFunnels. Check this out. I have funnels here on my ClickFunnels account. And once you have selected the products, the second step is to build the automated sales system, which is the sales funnel with the opt-in page, the lead magnet that you are going to give away in exchange for the email, and then the nurturing sequence, and write all the emails and put your affiliate links on those emails. And the third step is to send traffic to that system, because this system works 24/7, guys. So what is cool though is that sometimes I make commissions, for example, in the night. So recently I made this $130. So I have here 135, but I had like $3. So I made this, and it's cool though because I checked the phone and I saw that I have made some commissions by promoting these products, and I'm not even working on affiliate marketing. So it's like super cool when you're doing something and you just like receive a message and check, hey, congratulations, because you have made some money. So it's cool though. So in case that if you want to learn the skills on how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.